Finding the correct cutting tool to suit your application at hand is now easier than ever on ma4.com. Simply click on Tool Selector at the top, select the desired tool type you are looking for. In this case, let's work on finding an end mill. Choose the desired unit of measure. If you want to ensure the populated results are in stock and ready to ship, toggle In Stock Only to On. From here, there are a number of filters that work individually from each other. Let's start by selecting the workpiece material and the application. For example, let's select stainless steel high efficiency milling. Let's say we are looking for a 3/8 diameter. We do not need a neck. 1-inch flute length. For end type, we're going to look for an end mill with a 30 thousandths corner radius. Simply select corner radius for end type and 30 thousandths for the radius size. If you are unsure of the number of flutes that you are wanting, simply skip over these filters. We do not want a Weldon flat or a chip breaker. Populated results are prioritized based on workpiece material and application to be performed from top to bottom. From here, we can click on the individual tool to get a detailed page for that individual tool. There you have it. Finding the proper cutting tool for your application at hand is only a few clicks away on ma4.com.